Good morning. It's a Saturday morning, everyone, and some surprise rain. Now, when you get rain and thunder overnight, that's not the heat of the day convection. That's supported by something else, actually, and it's in the upper atmosphere. I'll show you that in a second. But it's frustrating to get these summer rain areas. We've been talking on Twitter and Facebook through the last week or so, and some of you have gotten very generous rains. Others have been missed several times. You can see on this morning's loop how it has started basically east of Springfield and has been progressing a little bit westward. We got some rain in eastern Springfield, eastern Greene County. Really, it took a dive through Taney and continues to go down through Boone County with some pretty good amounts down there. That shower and thunderstorm area just passing through Harrison. We're still getting some rain here at this hour. What I'll do is I'll turn on the satellite image to go with that and pull out here a little bit so we can see a couple of interesting features. First of all, this zone right here is what we call a shear axis, where the winds are doing this here and this here, and the rain and thunderstorms are kind of developing in the middle with some encouraging uplift. You can even see a little spin in the clouds down here, a little low pressure feature showing up. And what I can do is turn on the overlay here to show you the upper atmosphere. And these features are readily apparent if I go to the last frame. So what you're looking at basically is this trough of low pressure in the upper atmosphere that goes like this, and see how the winds are coming around like this out of the north on this side of it and out of the south on this side of it. So this becomes an area of encouragement for uplift of moist air, and showers and thunderstorms can form even into the nighttime hours, not supported by the heat of the daytime. This feature will be around for the next day or so, and then gradually begin to weaken as we get in toward the work week. Let me show you the rainfall estimate here this morning, and you're looking at a radar estimate of that. And if you see the darkest shade of green, that's like areas here around Rogersville. That's an estimated 1 inch. If you get into the areas of yellow, for instance, that is an estimated about 1.5 inches. So parts of Christian County and Taney County, and then right there where Christian and Webster and Greene kind of meet, were the heaviest rains here this morning. Now, here's the morning weather map. We have no major weather features around, basically, except for these outflow boundaries caused by the storms and the upper level feature, which wouldn't show up on a map like this. And that's it. Here's a closer look at it. Temperatures are in the upper 60s, lower 70s this morning. Dew points are in the upper 60s, and that's a little more sticky than we've seen here lately. Our temperatures will be held in check by ongoing chances for clouds and showers with this upper level shear zone. So they'll be held around 90 into the lower 90s in areas that don't get the rain, maybe mid 90s. Upper 80s are even possible today in areas that hang on to the clouds all day. And the next heat wave appears to be building. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I show you here on the projections. We're getting temperatures above 95, strong indicators of upper 90s, and maybe a couple of record temperatures. And the rain is, again, been spotty and sparse. Here's the latest drought monitor as of a couple of days ago on Thursday, with exceptional drought in parts of Arkansas. And some odd thousand counties now have been put under basically disaster areas in the central U.S. because of the ongoing drought. Arkansas included in part of that. Missouri, not as bad as Arkansas, but pretty close, and will get worse if we don't get more organized rain. So I'm just holding out hope that more of these little patches of rain with this upper level system will hit your hometown over the next couple of days. Have a great weekend.